Let's face it, no one enjoys paying taxes. But what if I told you there are legal smart ways to pay less in taxes without breaking a single rule? In today's video, I'm revealing how to reduce your tax bill, whether you're a 9-to-5 employee, a side hustler, or a small business owner. We'll cover legit tax deductions most people miss, how to lower your taxable income, the best tax tools for maximum refunds, and how to keep more of your hard-earned money all year long. Stick around until the end for the #1 tax move most millionaires use. Quick question before we dive in. What's the most confusing part of taxes for you? Filing, deductions, or planning ahead? Drop it in the comments. Let's tackle it together. Here's the first truth you need to know. Tax planning is not just for April. Most people only think about taxes when it's time to file. By then, it's too late. The wealthy treat taxes like a year-round strategy. They structure their money in ways that minimize taxable income and maximize deductions. And you can do the same, whether you make $30K or $300K a year. Hey, if you're serious about keeping more of your money, make sure to subscribe right now. We break down personal finance, tax hacks, and wealth-building tips every single week. Let's simplify taxes for a moment. Your income gets taxed based on how much you make, but you can reduce that amount through deductions and credits. Deductions reduce your taxable income. Credits reduce your actual tax owed. So if you made $60,000 this year and had $10,000 in deductions, you're only taxed on $50,000. Now imagine stacking multiple deductions and credits. You could cut your tax bill in half or more. That's the goal of smart tax planning. All right, let's get to the good stuff. Here are 7 proven legal strategies to help you pay less in taxes. 1. Max out retirement contributions. Contributions to traditional IRAs and 401ks reduce your taxable income. In 2025, you can contribute up to $7,000 to an IRA and $23,000 to a 401k. This one move could save you thousands in taxes annually. Tip: even if you're self-employed, you can open a solo 401k or SEP IRA. 2. Deduct business expenses, side hustlers and freelancers. Got a side hustle? Every expense related to it is a potential deduction. Home office, phone bills, mileage, internet, software, it adds up fast. If you're not tracking these, you're overpaying. Use TurboTax Self-Employed or H&R Block Premium to make sure you don't miss any deductions. Links in the description for both tools. 3. Take the standard or itemized deduction, whichever is higher. Standard deduction in 2025, $14,600, single, $29,200, married. But if your itemized deductions, mortgage interest, property taxes, etc. are higher, you can deduct even more. TurboTax and H&R Block automatically compare both for you and choose the best one. 4. Use a health savings account, HSA. Triple tax advantage. Contributions are tax deductible, growth is tax-free, and withdrawals for health expenses are tax-free. You can contribute up to $4,150 individual or $8,300 family in 2025. Bonus: after age 65, it becomes a backup retirement account. 5. Claim the Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC, designed for low to moderate income earners, worth up to $7,000 plus, depending on your income and family size. Many people miss it or don't claim the right amount. Tip: let software like H&R Block calculate this for you automatically. 6. Harvest investment losses. If your stocks took a hit this year, don't panic. You can sell investments at a loss to offset gains and reduce taxable income, called tax loss harvesting. And it's a smart move in volatile years. 7. Use the right software. Yes, it matters. Filing with outdated or generic software can mean missing out on big savings. That's why we recommend using tools like TurboTax, smart AI-driven tax filing, tailored for individuals, freelancers, and businesses. H&R Block, great for accuracy, audit support, and in-person help if you need it. Use the links in the description for special affiliate discounts and bonuses. When you file, I want to hear from you. Have you tried doing your taxes with TurboTax or H&R Block? Which do you prefer, or are you still filing the old school way? Let's get a convo going in the comments. If you run a small business or even a side hustle, you have a massive advantage. Why? Because businesses are taxed after expenses, not before. That means you can deduct legitimate expenses like equipment subscriptions, courses, and a portion of your rent or utilities if you work from home. Use TurboTax Self-Employed or H&R Block Premium. They're built specifically for this and walk you through every category. Stop guessing and start maximizing. Tax savings don't start at filing season. They start now. Here are tools I recommend using all year. TurboTax, best for both individuals and businesses. It even has live CPAs to help you. H&R Block, amazing if you like in-person or hybrid help. Their software is extremely user-friendly. QuickBooks, Self-Employed, track your income and expenses all year. Syncs directly with TurboTax. KeeperTax, perfect for freelancers. Scans your transactions for write-offs automatically. So, how do you pay less in taxes? It's simple. Learn the rules. Track everything. Use the right tools. And file smart, not late. Taxes aren't going away. But with the right strategy, you'll keep more of your income. And that's how wealth is built. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It tells YouTube to show this to more people just like you. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly money tips that actually work. Thanks for watching. And here's to keeping more of what you earn.